Nonmetals. There are very few nonmetals as compared to metals. Some of the examples of nonmetals are carbon, sulfur, iodine, oxygen, hydrogen, etc. The nonmetals are either solids or gases except bromine, which is a liquid. Do nonmetals also have physical properties similar to that of metals? Let us find out. Activity. Collect samples of carbon, coal or graphite, sulfur and iodine. Nonmetals are also in solid, liquid and gaseous form. Your observations regarding metals and nonmetals. We cannot group elements according to their physical properties alone, as there are many exceptions. For example, first, all metals except mercury exist as solids at room temperature. You have observed that metals have high melting points, but gallium and caesium have very low melting points. These two metals will melt if you keep them on your palm. Second, iodine is a non-metal, but it is lustrous. Third, carbon is a non-metal that can exist in different forms. Each form is called an allotrope. Diamond, an allotrope of carbon, is the hardest natural substance known and has a very high melting and boiling point. Graphite, another allotrope of carbon, is a conductor of electricity. Fourth, alkali metals, lithium, sodium, potassium, are so soft that they can be cut with a knife. They have low densities and low melting points. Elements can be more clearly classified as metals and nonmetals on the basis of their chemical properties. Activity. Take a magnesium ribbon and some sulfur powder. Burn the magnesium ribbon. Collect the ashes formed and dissolve them in water. The resultant solution make red litmus paper to blue. The product formed on burning magnesium is basic. Now burn sulfur powder. Place a test tube over the burning sulfur to collect the fumes produced. Add some water to the above test tube and shake. This solution make blue litmus paper to red. The product formed on burning sulfur is acidic. Equations for these reactions. 2 Mg plus O2 gives 2 MgO. MgO plus H2O gives MgOH2. S plus O2 gives O2. SO2 plus H2O gives H2SO3. Most nonmetals produce acidic oxides when dissolved in water. On the other hand, most metals give rise to basic oxides.